Hi there. So maybe you're thinking about attending a conference, but you're wondering which one. I mean, there are so many conferences at the moment. So the question is, what do you do? What's your specialty area? Because if you're involved with detecting problems that are coming, detecting the root causes that will cause the problems that are coming, and actually doing something practical about those problems, then this is the conference for you, the CBM Conference, formerly IMVAC. So, what we're about is all the condition monitoring technologies that help you see the root causes and see the problems. Vibration, ultrasound, infrared, oil analysis, wear particle analysis, motor testing, and lots of other technologies as well. We just don't have an icon for absolutely everything. And then also the techniques you can use to avoid those problems. Lubrication, alignment, balancing, and other areas as well. So yes, we are about reliability improvement, but very practical stuff. We get into the analysis you need to go through to determine which technologies you should use, and we get into a bit of planning and scheduling in those other areas so that the whole program can run successfully. But this is our focus. Everyone you meet at the conference will have that focus. It's a smaller, more intimate group. So, if you want to see the asset management, ISO 55000, industrial Internet of Things, then great, there's lots of other conferences for that. But at those conferences you won't get much of this. Our conference is about this area right here. So I hope to see you at one of our future conferences. At the moment, we've got this one coming up real soon in Orlando in the United States in early November. But hey, in 2019, there's Melbourne, Abu Dhabi, Antwerp, Indianapolis and Manchester, and maybe another location as well. So pop along thecbmconference.com. You can see what it's all about, see the agenda, see the dates, see the locations. And I hope to see you there.